Topic 8. Towns, traders and craft persons. Administrative centers. Tanjore was the capital of Cholas. Kaveri river used to flow near Tanjore. King Raj Raja Chola built Raj Raja Ishwara temple. Its architect Kunjra Mallan Raj Raja Peru Nath Chand carved his name on the temple wall. The town used to bustle with markets selling grains, spices, cloth and jewelry in the town. The town used to get the water from wells and tanks. Weavers of Tanjore and Urayur were used to keep themselves busy in producing cloth for flags. At Swami Malai, sculptors used to create ornamental bell metal lamps and beautiful bronze idols. Map. Temple towns and pilgrimage centers. The rulers of that time used to show their devotion to different gods by building temples. They used to provide temples with lands, used to feed priests and pilgrims and celebrate festivals. Pilgrims who used to come to the temples used to make donations. The temple authorities used this wealth to finance trading and banking. Towns emerged around temples including Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh, Somnath in Gurjar, Kanchipuram and Madurai in Tamil Nadu, and Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. Slowly and slowly, these pilgrimage centers got converted into townships which included Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh and Tiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu. Small towns network. 8th century onwards, subcontinent got dotted with many small towns. There used to be Mandapika or Mandi where villagers used to bring their produce to sell. At that place, market streets were used to line up with ships. Moreover, there existed many streets for various kinds of artisans, including potters, oil pressers, sugar makers, toddy makers, smiths, and stone masons, etc. According to the inscriptions from Rajasthan, there were taxes in kind on sugar and jaggery, dyes, thread and cotton, coconuts, salt, areca nuts, butter, sesame oil, and on cloth. Some trades were collected in kind while others were collected in cash. Lost wax technique. The lost wax method technique is divided into 4 distinct stages, namely 1. Creation of the wax model. 2. Forming the mold around the wax model. 3. Casting of the mold. And 4. Finishing of the piece. Picture. Crafts in towns. Bidars craftspersons were very famous for their inlay work in copper and silver. The Panchalas or Vishwakarma community consists goldsmiths, bronzesmiths, blacksmiths, masons and carpenters who build temples. Specialized and independent crafts were cotton cleaning, spinning and dyeing. Weavers emerged as prosperous communities. Picture. Hampi, Musaulipatnam and Surat. Hampi is located in the Krishna Tungabhadra basin. This basin formed the center of Vijayanagara Empire that was founded in 1336. The buildings and splendid arcs, domes and pillared halls with niches for holding sculptures. Sculptural motifs such as corbels and lotus were carved in orchards and gardens of these buildings. Hampi used to bustle with many commercial and cultural activities. In the markets of Hampi, there were lot of thronged of Muslim merchants, chettis and agents of European traders such as Portuguese. Picture. Mahanavami was the important festival which was celebrated at Hampi. Deccani Sultans, the rulers of Golconda, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar and Bidar, defeated Vijayanagara in 1565 and Hampi fell into ruin. Surat. During the Mughal period, Surat was the emporium of western trade because many pilgrim ships set sail from here. So Surat was also known as the Gate of Mecca. Surat was famous for gold lace borders zari. In 1668, East India Company shifted its headquarters in Bombay. Musaulipatnam. Musaulipatnam town was located on the delta of the Krishna river. Dutch built the fort at Musaulipatnam. Rulers of Golconda, Qutub Shahi forced monopolies on the sale of spices, textiles and other items to prevent the trade passing completely into the hands of the various East India companies. Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb captured Golconda in 1686 to 1687. In 18th century, Musaulipatnam got declined. The demand for textile goods got rapidly increased in the subcontinent. The native traders or blacks got limited here, while the white rulers got successful in occupying the superior residences of Fort St. George in Madras and Fort St. William in Calcutta.